In Chicago, there's only one place where South Beach meets the glitz and glamour of Hollywood. Welcome to the Kit Kat Lounge.
Yes! And that's how Chantel enters the room and starts at the Kit Kat Lounge. I thought we were just gonna sit down. She's already in it. So tell everyone here, what is the Kit Kat Lounge?
The Kit Kat Lounge is a Martini bar, but we're so much more than that. We're food, we're entertainment, our staff is delicious, we look good.
Oh, here we go, here we go. And we are off.
The show is basically all trans women. We only have one boy queen.
And so what's the difference, between diva and drag queen?
This. It's the essence of a woman, all the way a woman.
Diva.
Yeah. And then of course, you know, the attitude that comes along with it, so that's always fun.
It's so much fun. Amazing. It's like a more free-for-all place than a lot of spots in Boys Town.
Here it's like a safe haven, I guess you could say. You know, you come here, everybody makes you feel like it's just one big family here. Everybody's all together and enjoying everything. It's so intimate that you end up talking to the people next to you. You guys end up buying each other drinks or sharing your appetizer. It's just a friends and family kind of place.
I got VIP access into the kitchen. Chef Miguel. All right, so what are we making now?
So start with the salmon with the teriyaki sauce, wasabi mashed potato, green beans and spinach. This is the mayonnaise chicken. It's the same process. So it's fry a little bit in here, and put in the finish to the oven. How you like the steak?
I like mine well.
Well done.
The real Salt Bae. Seasoned to perfection, yeah.
So I toast the chorizo with the fry.
All right, so Luke, what are we doing here? What are we making?
So Jeremy, I'm gonna make you a strawberry lemonade martini. One of our best martinis we have is a perfect blend between sweet and some citrus with a lemon. And then one of our most popular drinks as well is the Lady Gaga glow stick to top it off. That glow-in-the-dark appeal. It's one of our best sellers.
Just when you thought the party couldn't get turned up more, we go for one. The sweet, the tanginess, the tartness. And then, what's going on with the Gaga? That's funny. Okay.
All right.
Take these slow, because they might knock you down.
Okay, this is our May West, our chicken and waffles. It's one of our most popular entrees here.
Just by smelling, I can see why. I'm excited. You know what this plate is? It's my past, my present, and my future in one place. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The chicken is great. It's so juicy and so tender. The waffle is crunchy, which I like. The powdered sugar. It's called the good night. More food, Micah. More food. Oh.
Excuse me.
Okay, what do we have
here?
here?
Charo, our 8-ounce strip steak, some chimichurri sauce, and chorizo fries on the side.
There's little bits of chorizo. There's some onions. There's peppers or spices in there. I have never had fries with a bunch of surprises in there. Oh, that's great. But let's go to the star of this dish. Oh, it's making me feel a little oochek. Come on, shout out to you, Charo. We ate, we drank, we danced, we had a performance, we met some great people. If you can find one place that can do all this better, please tell me. Oh no, I can answer that for you. You can. Come to Chicago, come to the Kit Kat Lounge.